stop chasing the horizon for a second. Have you ever felt too small to understand this massive world? What if I told you that you could measure the entire planet without ever leaving your hometown? It sounds impossible, right? But over 2,000 years ago, a man did exactly that, with nothing but a simple stick and a shadow. Stick around and I'll show you how a shift in perspective can unlock the universe. Long before satellites and GPS, scholars suspected the Earth was a sphere, but its size remained a mystery. Enter Eratosthenes, a brilliant mind in 240 BC. He discovered something poetic in the city of Syene. There, on the summer solstice, the sun hit the Earth so directly that at noon, it shone straight down to the bottom of a well. No shadows, just pure light. Meanwhile, north in Alexandria, Eratosthenes planted a stick in the ground. He noticed that at the exact same moment, his stick did cast a shadow. Curious, isn't it? He measured the angle of that shadow, 7.2 degrees. Here is where the magic happens. He realized that if the sun's rays are parallel, that 7.2 degree angle, which is exactly 1/50th of a circle, meant the distance between the two cities was also 1/50th of the Earth's total circumference. Using the travel data of his time, he estimated the distance was 5,000 stadia. He did the math, 5,000 times 50. The result? A circumference of roughly 39,360 kilometers. That is heartbreakingly close to the modern calculation of 40,076 kilometers. And just like that, with simple geometry and a lot of imagination, he became the first person to hug the world with his mind. So, what is the takeaway here? Eratosthenes didn't need to walk around the globe to understand it. He just needed to look at a shadow differently. It reminds us that sometimes, the biggest problems in our lives don't require us to run further or work harder. They require us to stand still, observe the small details, like a shadow on the ground, and connect the dots. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about seeing the connection between the ground beneath your feet and the stars above. Stay curious, my wise friends.